The Immobilizer system is your car's electronic security guard, designed to prevent unauthorized engine starts and protect your vehicle from theft. This sophisticated system uses encrypted communication between four key components to verify that you are the authorized owner before allowing the engine to start. First, the transponder chip embedded in your key or fob contains a unique encrypted code. Second, the antenna ring around the ignition cylinder reads this code when you insert the key. Third, the immobilizer control unit processes the encrypted signal and communicates with the fourth component, the engine control module, which ultimately decides whether to allow the engine to start. Now let's understand what the different warning lights mean. The immobilizer warning light on your dashboard provides important information about the system's status. A solid red car with lock symbol indicates the system is armed and functioning normally. This is what you should see when the system is working properly. A flashing red light suggests someone is attempting an unauthorized start. The system has detected a potential theft attempt and is blocking engine operation. A solid yellow or amber light signals a malfunction or that your key is not being recognized. This requires attention to restore normal operation. Finally, rapid flashing indicates a critical system fault that requires immediate professional attention. This suggests a serious problem with the immobilizer system that needs diagnosis and repair. Understanding these warning lights helps you quickly identify whether your immobilizer system is working normally or if there's an issue that needs to be addressed. When your immobilizer system isn't working properly, there are several systematic troubleshooting steps you can take to diagnose and potentially fix the issue yourself. First, verify your symptoms carefully. Check the exact behavior of the immobilizer warning light, test all available keys and fobs, and inspect each key for physical damage like cracks or worn contacts. The key cycling reset is often the first method to try. Insert your key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Wait patiently for the immobilizer light to stop flashing, which typically takes 10 to 15 minutes. If the key cycling method doesn't work, try a battery disconnect reset. Safely disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait 15 to 30 minutes, then reconnect it and attempt to start your vehicle. Key fob battery replacement is highly effective when the battery is the root cause. Replace the battery with the exact specification, then perform the manufacturer-specific key fob relearn procedure. When basic methods fail, professional diagnostic tools become necessary. These scan tools can read immobilizer-specific fault codes, monitor live data streams, and perform component activation tests to identify the exact problem. Remember to follow this systematic approach. Start with simple verification steps. Try the key cycling reset first, then battery disconnect if needed. Key fob battery replacement often solves the problem, but don't hesitate to seek professional help when DIY methods aren't successful.